Hello and welcome to a lovely day in Wicklow. Today is going to be totally different. I've already done some sample panning, I've already found gold, I've already got the Sluicebox set up. So what's going to happen is you just basically come along for the journey, and that's kind of how I think it should be. There's not going to be as much instruction on it today. It's really just about, I'm out for the day, enjoy the nice gold, and there is some nice gold here. I'm out for the day and you just get to follow along intermittently throughout the day. So we're going to head down now and fill up the rest of that bucket. We're filling buckets, putting it through the Sluicebox, rinse and repeat. Only one thing left for it. It is, of course, let's go find the shiny! Right, so I'm down at the digging station here. This is a spot I've worked previously. Anytime I'm finished for the day, I'll fill it in with big rocks. A, so people don't fall into it. B, it's the right thing to do. And C, by filling in it with big rocks, takes me 10 minutes, set down my hands and knees, put waders on, roll the rocks out of the way, and I'm back to the same level I was digging at. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put about 2 more shovel loads through this bucket here, and then we'll go down to the Sluicebox and feed it on through. I have the auto feeder running. It's running reasonably well. There we go. Nice. It's a very simple. Just bounce this on through. Number one prospector telling me once, you'll learn more about a river from 1 5-foot deep hole than 5 1-foot deep holes. I'm liking that a lot. Look at that, great sand. Lovely material. Good days. Alright, let's have a quick look, see how we're getting on. Oh, it's full. I was only hoping for a half bucket, that'll do. Pretty much full. I wouldn't lift any more than that. Okay, so you can see we have the auto feeder set up there. I can already see some garnets on the mash, which is brilliant. So what I'm going to do is just going to drop it into the auto feeder. The advantage of this is I don't have to wait for this to be done. So if it takes, whatever, 5-6 seconds to go through, I don't have to sit here waiting for it. I just simply keep feeding it on through, and it will gradually feed itself. Right, so it's a little bit jammed up, no big deal. I just simply open up the back, the vent at the back, open up the doorway a little bit more. There you go. Stuff's starting to come out. Pop in a bit of water. She goes on through. Happy days. Perfect. So there you go. So now we have the right level. Now it's working fine. It's not overfeeding the Sluicebox. When we go back to the dig site, we just simply put in 2 shovels, classify them, come down, dump it, and then out of here again. This is the advantage of this, and I think I should be able to run a third more material. Right, just crack on with that. Let's go find the shiny. Right, so just a quick update on things. I'm on probably my 3rd or so bucket. This is working really well. Let me show you the setup. 1 second. Yeah, it's just a sticky clay material. That's all it is. Before it gets too messed up, I'm just going to put you underwater, just so I can see what it looks like underwater myself. Right, so just taking the Sluicebox out of the water there now. I've run a total of 9 buckets. The reason I'm stopping at 9, 2 reasons. 1, the latest test pans aren't revealing any gold. I didn't see any gold in the sluice until I took it out. I see the 2 little pieces in the mat there. The reason I'm stopping now though is earlier on I saw somebody out fishing, so they weren't having much luck here, and I pointed them in the direction of a place upstream where I have seen a lot of fish. Came back down a few minutes ago, said, look, thanks very much for the tip. I'm after finding a good few fish. Something you might be interested in. Bedrock everywhere on the other side of the river next to a waterfall. I'm like, thank you. So there you go. If you're out panning and you see someone out fishing, be nice to them. They'll go off and do the research for you. I didn't know there was bedrock down there. I've walked up and down this river multiple times, but only because of the person was upstream doing a bit of fishing. Bedrock means nothing to them. They don't want the gold. They said to me, Hey listen, there's bedrock upstream. Dude, I'm going there. Hopefully you can see this properly. Yeah, and there's one right there. Look at the camera's not in its own light. Nice piece there. A lot of garnets. Billions of garnets. So I'm going to put you in fast frame mode for the clean out of the Sluicebox. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the stuff from the bucket into the tub, and I'll have the tub in another bucket so I don't lose it. And anything that overflows and doesn't quite make it into the pot, we'll pan that here and now. Everything else will go into the tub and we'll pan it at home tomorrow. Let's just crack on with that. Let's go find the shiny. Okay, so I have the little pink tub in there. What I can do is pour water into it. I have a little rock in there and I have a rock in the bucket just so the whole thing doesn't topple over. So let's just get it now. Right, this is the cleanup system. Water goes in here, it's down through the 2-inch pipe. It's the gold 94,000. Goes nice and gently down. So I'll run through this and I'll show you clean it. Okay, that's the cleanup done there. Not a whole lot of gold. Nice pieces of gold there, in fairness. Maybe I'll have a better look at the bedrock, who knows. Anyway, either way, I've had a good day. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Ran through 9 buckets. Got to try out this style of I just go out and dig in and you just happen to follow along for the process. Let me know in the comments below if you like this particular style, because it's so much easier. I just simply set up the sluice, I go find gold, I go, oh hi, it's you, yeah, come over here, watch this, and wrap up here for today. I am going to head up stream and do a little bit more sampling. So I hope you enjoyed today's video of whatever I happen to call it at the editing stage, because chances are I'm going to change it anyway. If you like this video, chances are you like the videos I previously posted and the ones I'll be posting in the future. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and sure, I'll catch you in the next one. Get all go, buy more shiny.